Hello, people. So, as you all know, I'm pretty active on Instagram. So, as of today, I wrote this post for the certain page called Arani Eco Steps. It's like when I came across this page, I was so amazed simply since, did you know a simple thing like switching from a liquid face wash or hand wash or from liquid detergent to uh, something in a powdered form can do such level of kindness for the planet, because all these products that come in face wash and liquid hand wash and all that come in these bottles are made out of 4 layers of plastic, which means that they will probably never get recycled. Like 4 layers is very difficult to break down. So I never thought such a thing wouldn't have ever crossed my mindscape also. Like, my God, if you make this simple change. So now, after following this page, the simple solution they provide is, if you can. That's what they make, these awesome, powdered kind of whatever the soap material. And if you can just make the switch from a liquid hand wash to soap, that itself is being kind to the planet. Yeah. And I did a whole write up for them, right? So apparently, even the packaging that they make is made out of cornstarch, so that at the end of it, after using the product, that packaging itself can be put in mud and it dissolves. These are like amazing concepts. Yeah. So I could speak to the founder. Her name, a very sweet lady. Yeah, her name's Gauri, and she made this long YouTube audio message for me to hear. It was almost 12 minutes long, but you could sense that level of sincerity. Yeah. So really, people, you all should follow this page. It's called Arani Eco Steps, Arani Co. I'll put it on the thing. You all can follow it. It's on Instagram, and it will change the way you perceive the world. Like, I never thought a face wash can have such an impact on the, like, it can't be broken down because it's made out of 4 layers of plastic and all that. So do check out this page, people, and let's try and do something from our end for the planet. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.